Every single item you own that you don't use is an anchor tying up your future wealth. People who stay broke focus on the initial price. People who build wealth focus on the carrying cost. If you don't stop bringing items with high shadow costs into your life, you will spend your best earning years working 40 hours a week just to pay for a storage unit disguised as a house. Let's talk about the biggest financial lie we've all been sold. You walk into a store, you see a jacket on clearance or a gadget on sale, and you think you're saving money. You swipe your card, take it home, put it in a closet, and assume the transaction is over. Wrong. The price tag you paid at the register was just the entry fee. Everything you bring into your home has a shadow cost. It is a hidden, recurring monthly fee that quietly drains your bank account, your time, and your energy. It's the exact reason why you can be making a great salary, yet still feel completely broke at the end of the month. Today, we are going to expose the 3 hidden taxes you're paying on your clutter and how to stop it. The first part of the shadow cost is the real estate tax. Every square foot of your home has a monthly price. Let's do the math. Say you buy an exercise bike you promised yourself you'd use. 2 months later, it becomes a $400 coat rack. That bike takes up about 15 square feet of floor space. Depending on where you live and what you pay in rent or mortgage, you are paying real money every single month just to house that piece of metal. If you pay $1,500 a month for a 500 square foot apartment, you are paying $3 a square foot. That means that unused bike is charging you $45 a month in implicit rent. That is over $500 a year every year to store a guilt trip in your bedroom. We buy bigger houses and rent bigger apartments not because we need more space to live, but because we need more space to store our past mistakes. The second hidden fee is the mental and time tax. Stuff requires management. It demands your attention. Think about your day-to-day routine. You spend 10 minutes every morning digging through a closet full of clothes you don't even like just to find the one shirt you wear every week. You spend your weekends dusting, cleaning, organizing, and rearranging boxes of things you haven't actually looked at in 3 years. You are trading the most valuable, non-renewable resource you have, your time, to manage dead weight. Furthermore, every time you walk past that unused exercise bike or the hobby supplies you gave up on, your brain registers a microdose of guilt. It is mental clutter, and it exhausts the exact same energy reserves you need to focus on building your career, starting a business, or actually enjoying your life. But the most devastating part of the shadow cost is tax number 3, the opportunity cost. Every dollar locked inside stuff you don't use is a dollar that is not growing. Let's say you have $1,000 tied up in random gadgets, unworn clothes, and impulse buys sitting around your house right now. If instead of buying those things, you had invested that $1,000 in a standard index fund a decade ago, it would be worth thousands of dollars today. You didn't just buy a gadget. You bought a gadget instead of buying your future financial freedom. Your clutter is literally stealing your retirement. So, what is the fix? You need to do a shadow cost audit today. Walk into your room, look at the items taking up the most space, and ask yourself, is the value this brings to my life worth the rent it is charging me? If the answer is no, sell it, donate it, or trash it. Reclaim your space, reclaim your peace, and most importantly, reclaim your money. If this shifted how you look at your spending, hit the like button so the algorithm knows to share this with someone else who needs to hear it. Subscribe to join the community, and remember, always have money by living better with less. See you in the next one.